Mumbai, the city of thousands of small and big entrepreneurs, businessmen and corporates, where lakhs of individuals struggle daily for food, shelter and money. Some of them struggle to feed themselves and their family. Some of them struggle to maintain their royal standard of living, whereas some of them are very ambitious and passionate to get their name, fame and success. But they are not able to choose the right path, which can take them to their desired goal. These people are continuously searching for the person who can guide them in such a way that they can boost their confidence, they can think in a better way than to any ordinary individual and ultimately achieve their success and goal. There is a person who is continuously transforming the lives of thousands of individuals and entrepreneurs, whose strategies, business plans and motivational talks have helped many people to achieve their goals. He is Mr. Tejinder Singh. Mr. Tejinder Singh is a business coach and a strategist who has a strong expertise in bringing success to many small, middle and established organizations. He has closely worked and understood the challenges that are faced by entrepreneurs in family-owned business and at corporate level. He has brought intangible differences in organization culture and its genetics. He has worked with many international and national organizations like L&T, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, Volplast, Saudi Airlines, Morocco Airlines, SD Industries, Annu Pharmaceuticals, Novartis and many other companies. He has also trained many associations like Surat Diamond Association, Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce for Mumbai, Nasik, Nagpur and Indian Merchants Chamber of Association, Navi Mumbai. As we all know, every business strengths and weaknesses are often internal part of any organization, while opportunities and threats generally relate to external factors. For this reason, the SWOT analysis is sometimes called internal-external analysis. According to Mr. Tejinder Singh, looking at yourself and your competitors using the SWOT framework, you can start to craft a strategy that helps you distinguish yourself from your competitors so that you can compete successfully in your market. Mr. Tejinder Singh has been a great tool for many organizations to setting up their systems and processes. His behavioral and skill-based training has helped many employees to work with their organizations with more honesty and loyalty, and hence in setting up a great organization. He has been a combination of business coach and strategist and a motivational speaker and analyst who has brought fast-track success through his data analysis, which has helped many professionals achieve success. He has such a dynamic and effective business plan and training module, which are unique and help as problem-solving instruments and tools through which they can determine where they are or their organization stands and ways the gap can be eliminated between where it was and where organization can reach after breaking all paradigms. A postgraduate from Mumbai University, he had started his journey as an executive in a BPO, where he worked with companies like Zenta Technologies and Intelinet. He has been awarded by many organizations such as Magnum Infratech, Lanson from construction industry for his efforts and dedication in transforming the lives of thousands of individuals. And by doing all this, he has a dream of establishing a world-class training company through which one can create their success story and help our nation to become a global economic power.